Nestled in the heart of Sydney's vibrant urban landscape, Central Park Sydney isn't just another high-rise development. It's a pioneering example of sustainable architecture reshaping how cities can coexist with nature. Far from conventional concrete towers, this mixed-use precinct demonstrates that dense urban living and environmental responsibility don't have to be at odds. Its innovative design integrates greenery, energy-efficient systems, and water management strategies that create a blueprint for cities of the future. From the moment you approach Central Park Sydney, it's clear that sustainability is more than just a feature, that it's the principle. The development combines commercial, residential, and leisure spaces, yet maintains a strong ecological focus. Green spaces are not confined to the ground level. They climb vertically along the building's facades, while thoughtfully designed plazas, rooftop gardens, and courtyards provide residents and visitors with a tangible connection to nature. The design team, including architects and landscape specialists, sought to create a living, breathing environment where sustainability is visible, functional, and beneficial to both humans and the ecosystem. Every element, from material choices to energy systems, reflect a deliberate effort to reduce environmental impact. By integrating renewable energy, efficient water systems, and abundant greenery, Central Park Sydney has redefined what it means for a city to be green. One of the most striking aspects of Central Park Sydney is its green infrastructure, particularly the vertical gardens that have become its signature feature. Designed in collaboration with horticulturalists and landscape architects, these gardens cover entire building facades, creating a vibrant, living surface that constantly evolves with the seasons. But beyond their visual appeal, they perform a critical environmental role. The vertical gardens act as natural air filters. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and airborne pollutants while releasing oxygen, helping to improve the air quality in a dense city environment. In urban areas like Sydney, where heat islands are a real concern, these gardens also provide natural cooling. The foliage reduces the surrounding air temperature, lessens heat radiation from building surfaces, and creates microclimates that make public spaces just more comfortable. Water efficiency is central to the vertical gardens design. Many of the plant walls are integrated with smart irrigation systems that recycle grey water or harvested rainwater, ensuring minimal water waste. This combination of greenery and resource management highlights how Central Park Sydney balances aesthetics, function, and sustainability. The benefits extend beyond environmental performance. Studies show that greenery in urban environments can improve mental health, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. By incorporating gardens at multiple levels, ground level plazas, mid-level terraces, and rooftop gardens, Central Park Sydney provides residents and visitors with accessible green spaces. Biodiversity is another important consideration. The selection of plants, shrubs, and trees is carefully curated to support the urban wildlife, attracting birds and insects that help create a more resilient ecosystem. These living facades are, in essence, vertical ecosystems thriving in the heart of the city. Central Park Sydney also sets a precedent for other urban developments. It demonstrates that vertical greenery isn't just a decorative choice. It's practical, it's a scalable solution for sustainable urban living. By turning walls into gardens and rooftops into green spaces, this project has reimagined what it means to integrate nature into city life, offering lessons for architects and planners worldwide. Beyond its living facades, Central Park Sydney is a showcase of innovative energy and water efficiency systems that drastically reduce its environmental footprint. The development incorporates the range of technologies designed to minimize energy consumption, maximize renewable energy use, and manage water sustainably. One Central Park has an elaborate heliostat and reflector installation, There are a number of sun-tracking mirrors, called heliostats, on the roof of the lower tower, and fixed reflectors under a cantilever from the taller tower. These are designed to reflect sunlight into parts of the building, like the atrium, the park areas, and landscape terraces that would otherwise be in the shade. High-performance glazing and insulation are used throughout the buildings to maintain comfortable indoor temperature, which reduces the need for air conditioning and heating. Water management at Central Park Sydney is equally impressive. The precinct collects stormwater and grey water, which is then filtered and reused for irrigation, toilet flushing, and supporting the vertical gardens. In addition to all of that, you have energy efficient systems such as LED lighting, smart HVAC controls, and an automated building management technology that ensures energy use is optimized at all times. By monitoring occupancy and the weather conditions, the buildings adapt their energy consumption dynamically, ensuring that resources are used efficiently without sacrificing comfort. Central Park Sydney's approach proves that high-density urban developments can operate sustainably without compromising functionality or aesthetics. By combining renewable energy, efficient water systems, intelligent building technologies, the precinct serves as a benchmark for sustainable urban infrastructure, showing how cities can meet growing demand while minimising their environmental impact. Sustainability at Central Park Sydney extends beyond building systems as well to encompass urban lifestyle and community well-being. The precinct encourages eco-friendly living by integrating residential, retail, leisure spaces with green public areas, walkable streets, and easy access to public transport. Residents are naturally encouraged to adopt greener habits, from walking or cycling instead of driving to engaging with the vertical gardens and open green space. The precinct's design fosters a sense of community. Public plaza courtyards and terraces create spaces where people can meet, they can relax and participate in events or leisure activities. This not only strengthens social connections, but also promotes environmental awareness. People are more likely to value and protect the green spaces if they actively use and enjoy them. In terms of broader impact, Central Park Sydney serves as a model for future urban developments. By demonstrating that sustainable architecture can coexist with high-density living and commercial viability, it sets a standard for other cities aiming to reduce carbon emissions and urban heat, improve air quality, and enhance residents' quality of life. This project shows that eco-conscious design is not a niche concept, but a practical and scalable approach to city planning. The precinct also generates economic benefits. Sustainable design reduces operational costs through energy and water savings, while the integration of greenery and recreational spaces increase property value and attract businesses and residents that prioritise environmental responsibility. The combination of environmental, social, and economic benefits illustrate the triple bottom line of sustainability in action. Central Park Sydney demonstrates that sustainability isn't limited to building performance. It's about creating resilient, healthy, and thriving urban communities that can inspire cities worldwide. Central Park Sydney is more than just an architectural landmark. It's a living example of how sustainability can shape the modern urban life. Through its vertical gardens, its energy efficient systems, its water saving technologies, it redefines what a city can be. A place where nature and urban living coexist harmoniously.